Hi, this is Gergi from EasyStats, and I will show you how we try to present complex data in simple ways. Although we usually create textual reports, the valuable grid data inspired us to take a chance in data viz. I was interested in how the spatial distribution of moving cars affects general air pollution, and for this end we created a heat map on the number of moving cars in each grid, as you can see here. Although the 1st of December was Sunday, we can still see some heavy traffic from 10 a.m. to around 8 p.m., but this traditional plot style is rather boring, and even more importantly, it does not allow us to show further variables on the same map. So we moved along. In a nutshell, we weighted the area of each grid based on the number of crossing cars and then computed the central points of these updated polygons to produce Voronoi maps. There you can see the relative density of traffic. Large shapes means more moving cars in the territory, and of course this is a rather smoothed map. But the low number of observations in private transportation suggests not to smooth such a high-density grid data, so we reverted back to visualize moving cars with simple points after all, where the exact position of the cars was jittered inside of the grid. This method also let us to map further variables besides the number of cars, like showing the values of nitrogen dioxide measured by 6 sensors in the city central. An orange scale shows the extrapolated values, where the darker color means more pollution. It can be seen that the concentration of nitrogen dioxide is higher on the south, and the average value gets higher at late afternoon. We have also found that the number of phone calls is also related to the number of moving cars, especially in the early morning, as you can see here. This is simple to understand, as we measure two pretty standard human activities that are similar. But what about other dimensions? Adding geospatial data, like accident reports or tweets, might also help us to understand what's going on around us, and we would love to contribute to this exciting journey.